You can see folks, I am good today. I bought you this Kawasaki beautiful nice bike. It is 900Z. Bought you this 900Z bike folks. So today we'll get us started on this folks. Yeah, Kawasaki 900 bike. So today I'm getting started on this bike folks. Kawasaki 900 bike I'm getting started on folks. So features I'm telling you, features are, yeah, features are, you do get the LED headlamps, dipper you are getting, LED headlamp you are getting. Yeah, features I am telling of this fantastic beautiful Kawasaki Z900 bike folks. Features are, dipper you are getting, LED light you are getting, front and rear disc brake, nice TFT digital cluster, two mirrors are there. Yeah, digital cluster you are getting folks. Dipper you are getting, lights you are getting, front and rear disc brake you are getting, and yeah, bike is good folks. You should go for this bike. Bike is good folks. You can see nice bike it is. Kawasaki this one. Features are good. Features are dipper, nice dipper you are getting, matrix 1, lights you are getting, sturdy lights, tires are sturdy, LED lights you are getting folks, good one, lights you are getting, LED lights you are getting, nice lights, lights you are getting, sturdy tires are there, good sturdy tires are there. Yeah, bike is awesome. 900 badging is there. This 900 badging. Yeah, nice bike folks. 900 bike this is. 900 badging it is. Good one. 900 badging folks. Good one. Sturdy bike it is. TFT cluster is there. Good one. It's not working away. Awesome, beautiful bike. This is created by Kawasaki. Awesome showroom, awesome bike it is. Side look is good. Front look is even more better. Look is good. Look is also good. Side look is good. This look is good. Buttons are there. These buttons are there. Bike is cool. It's good. Bye. Kawasaki this one is 900 bike it is. Side look it is good one. Look is good. Look is sturdy. Dippers are good. Look is awesome. Awesome features. Awesome bike. good. Bike is good. Looking nice. Kawasaki it is. Merchandise also there. School. Lights, dipper, matrix dipper you are getting. Light dipper is there. Lights are there. Is one it is. 900 badging is there. Z900 badging. Badging is there. Some bike it is, folks. Good one. Nice bike. Features are cool. Light is there. Back light is there. This is there for petrol, diesel is there. Lid is there. Mirrors are there. Buttons are there. TFT good cluster is there, folks. Awesome bike, awesome features. Features, bike. Nice features. Lights are also good. LED dual lamps. It is good. It is also good, folks. It is good. Features. Features. Bike. Yeah, this is the front look for the bike, folks. Kawasaki Z109 bike. Features are LED lights, dipper, light dipper, digital cluster, front and rear disc brake, and yeah. Bike is good, folks. Yeah. switches are good. Yeah. Paper are there, lights are there, green this is there, merchandise also there.